Let's take a look at this first study. All right, let's take a look at this study island help question. So determine if the following functions are increasing or decreasing and compare their rates of change. So first of all, if we look at these key words of increasing and decreasing of a function, that means when it's going uphill or decreasing would be going downhill. And what determines if a function is increasing or decreasing would be the function's slope. If it's going uphill, that tells us the slope is positive. If it's going downhill, that's going to tell us that the slope is negative. And then just as a reminder, if we see a horizontal line, reminder that that is no slope. And if we have a vertical line, that's an undefined slope. Now let's take a look at the two functions they give us. Our first one is a line with the y-intercept of 0, 8, which passes through the point 4, 0. So in this one, they're giving us two ordered pairs and wanting us to find that slope or that rate of change. So when we have 2 points, to find the slope, we're going to take our change in y's, y2 minus y1, over our change in x's, x2 minus x1, with that being our rise and our run. So this would be our first ordered pair, so it would be x1, y1. This would be our second ordered pair, so x2, y2. Now let's simply plug them into our formula. y2 is 0, minus our y1, which is 8, over our change in x's. x2 is 4, and our x1 value is 0. 0 minus 8 is negative 8. 4 minus 0 is 4. Negative 8 divided by 4 will reduce to an integer, and we get a slope of negative 2. Let's take a look at our second function. So here we have a table of values. So finding our rate of change in our slope from a table of values is very similar. We're going to need to pick two ordered pairs and use that exact same formula. Now recall that it doesn't matter what two ordered pairs we pick, because if something is a linear function, the slope will never change. So I'm going to go ahead and select these first two ordered pairs. So this would be my x1 value and y1, and then this would be x2, y2. So as I plug them in, I'm going to get negative 2 minus 0 over 1 minus 0. Negative 2 minus 0 is negative 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Negative 2 over 1 will reduce to negative 2. So now let's take a look at our answer choices. All right, first of all, both of our slopes are negative. So if they're negative, we've already recalled that a negative slope means that it's going to be decreasing. And they're also happening to be the same. So as we look at our answer choices, we can automatically roll out anything that has increasing, and they also do in fact have the same rate of change. Okay? They are not increasing, they are decreasing, so that makes our correct answer choice D. All right, folks, I hope you guys use this as you're working hard on that study island this week. Do your best.